Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So, before we begin the analysis, let's understand what happened in the market today. So, yesterday I had mentioned in my video that uh, we can foresee a target of 39,400 in Bank Nifty today as soon as we open up. But Bank Nifty opened slight gap up, and the entire day it was very volatile because the first time it touched 372. If you remember, I said that we should book our target at 370, and then post a consolidation around 400, then we may see a breakout on the upside. However, what it did is it consolidated here and it gave a breakdown on the downside, and the fall was really strong. It was both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's understand what should be our plan for tomorrow. So sorry for recording the video late. One of the reason was I wanted to see if FIs are rolling over their positions or not. So let's discuss the data first. Nothing much to discuss. However, what we can see here is, so basically FIs have uh, closed their index long positions, and that's a huge number. Okay, so the consolidation at the top ensured that they close all the long positions, and they've also closed short positions after the market fell. And we'll not really look at the options because those are expiry based, and all the positions will be closed. You will only see close long and close short. However, what we get to see here is some net positions. Okay, so there are some call shots and some good amount of put shots. And if you look at the overall positions on the future, currently FIs are holding about 37,215 long positions in the index future and 68,000 short positions. So right now the short positions are on the higher side. So this is a point of concern, and we need to see in this month how they create the positions and whether they continue to be bullish, or is it that the top is nearly over, is something which we'll get to understand in this coming week. So let's discuss the price action, like how do we try and trade tomorrow. So after this strong selling on the downside, definitely tomorrow we cannot think about call. Okay, until and unless if there is any news and market suddenly opens above say 39,300, then things can change. It can start consolidating here, and then there is a possibility it may give a breakout upside. But 600 points gap up is something I'm talking about, which seems to be impossible at the moment. But if you look at SGX Nifty, it is definitely trading higher, so we can expect some sort of a gap up tomorrow. So the best trades for tomorrow would be, uh, firstly, a gap up is something good. We will go for put. So this should be the best trade. So we know that there was a sell-off today, and that sell-off can continue. Okay, and continuation means that doesn't mean that it continues tomorrow itself. I'll tell you, the bearishness will be definitely there even tomorrow. The only thing is, since this was our last swing, and this swing is really high. So this is 39,284, and right now we closed around 38,850. So this is about 400 points down. So we definitely, if market opens say flat here, it becomes difficult for us to decide a stop loss for this. So that's the reason I'm saying that the best trade would be a gap up. Say in case if it gaps up around 39,160 to to 39,200. So the more we are close to 39,200, the trade becomes better. This place, we'll wait for a negative candle here, or maybe a small price action, something like this, and we'll enter into a put here. The first target is 38,850, which is the day low for today. And then maybe we may consolidate and we may break down further, or there is a chance that since we have a big candle on an intraday time frame, there is a possibility we may open gap up and we may start trading something like this, ending up making an inside candle on the daily chart. So what if market opens gap down? So if it opens gap down, we are definitely not going to buy put, because it can take support here and then reach to this place. So these are Fibonacci levels which I marked, and if you see, market has respected these levels very brilliantly. So that's the reason I did not remove it, neither I made my own personal support resistance here, because I would continue to follow this at least till the time we test all these levels. Okay, but here you can mark a swing at 39,284. If Bank Nifty is trading above this level, we will immediately remove all our puts, but definitely we are not going to shift to call side. Okay, but beyond this level, we are not supposed to hold any put. And if we open gap down, market may take support at this place. So if we see a bounce, and if that bounce comes until this place, which is 39,050, then we can try a put again here for 38,850. Okay, so this should be the range for tomorrow in case if we open gap down. And if we open gap down and continue to fall further, I think there is nothing much to do, but we need to sit and watch it. That's it. Let's discuss Nifty as well. So Nifty has also respected all the Fibonacci levels very well, and it has almost closed around 0.236. So again, this level becomes important in Nifty. Let's understand what is that particular point. It is around 17,640. Okay, so if we get Nifty around 17,600 or 610 to 640, this is a good place to go for a put, and our target would be 17,510. So we may expect an 100 points fall. If we open somewhere here, we can immediately come to this place. In case if we open flat, and if it goes down, you can try a put in Nifty rather than Bank Nifty, and your target happens to be around 17,350. So which is another 150 points fall from this place. But just ensure that whenever it makes a W at this place and it goes up, come out of the put, and we'll better try to enter put at these levels. Okay, and anything gap down. So if it opens around 17,450, then our trade is almost lost. But in case if we get an up move here, and if we turn back, we'll enter in a put here, and this should be a good risk reward trade, and the target happens to be 17,350 again. So we discussed flat opening here, gap up and gap down. I hope you all understood this point. We do not have much data to rely on, but tomorrow's option chain and the data that we get in the evening can help us understand how the movement will be in the coming week. Thank you for watching, and I have recorded last 3 days performance video for Algo, but somehow I'm not able to post it, but I am planning it to post it tomorrow. So tomorrow's video is also something which I'll record, and I'll post all the 4 videos together tomorrow night. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.